Sitemap scraping is more than just a nerdy tech chore. It can help you. Learn how often your competitors publish, what topics they target to spot any gaps on your site, and plan a programmatic SEO campaign. Why bother with this if I can just open the sitemap file and copy-paste those links? That might work if you're dealing with a tiny sitemap of maybe 40 to 50 URLs. But when you step into larger sitemaps, ones with hundreds or even thousands of URLs, manual copying becomes time-consuming, erroneous, and just plain frustrating. Plus, some sitemaps contain URLs nested under other URLs. You will see what we're talking about in the first method. Method 1. Using Google Sheets. Let's start with the easiest method first. Open a new Google Sheet, pick an empty cell, and paste this formula. This quickly pulls URLs from most sitemaps. Notice that Sheets pulled 1,608 URLs, but the sitemap itself has only 795. Exactly what we talked about in the beginning. Each URL may have a variety of media like PDFs and images nested under it, which you may need for a deep analysis but can't get with a simple copy and paste. Method 2. Using Screaming Frog. Let's move to the second and a bit more complex method for scraping URLs. Step 1. Download and install Screaming Frog from the official website. Step 2. Go to Configuration Spider Crawl in the top menu and select Crawl Linked XML Sitemaps. You can manually add the sitemap URL, or let Screaming Frog auto-discover it. Step 3. Open the spider, enter the website URL in the box, and click Start. We've used the Screaming Frog website itself for this example. Crawl the website. The website and XML sitemaps will now begin crawling. Wait till it gets 100%. You can use a total of 7 filters in the Sitemaps tab to group data by type and find common problems with XML sitemaps. Like the guide so far? Don't forget to subscribe and share. Got any questions on sitemap scraping? Simply comment below or email us at info@digitalonian.com and we'll gladly help. Method 3. Using Python and a custom script. This is a bit complex but perfect for large sitemaps, 1,000 plus URLs. No local Python installation is required. Go to Google Colab, which allows you to run Python without the need to download it on your device, and start a new notebook. Copy-paste the script below, pop in your sitemap URL. I used conductor.com for this example, and hit the play button. In seconds, or a minute or two for bigger sitemaps, you'll have the URLs. The script is programmed to not only save the output in a Notepad doc and download it, but save the file with the name My Sitemap URLs in your Google Drive once you grant the necessary permissions. Feel free to customize the script further, change file formats, adjust user agent strings, etc. to suit your workflow. What sitemap are you scraping and why? Let us know in the comments. You can improve any content strategy and nab that sweet upper hand in the search rankings with a quick AI-driven analysis of the exported URLs. For this, we modified a method we covered in an earlier tutorial on ChatGPT competitor analysis. The prompt is mentioned in the description. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to The Digital Onion if you found this helpful.